Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a little bit of a deep cleaning of my living room. That's right, a deep cleaning. So we are going to be moving some furniture, getting rid of some piles of laundry. I already took people's shoes to their rooms, and we're going to start wiping down this sofa and getting all of the grime and, let's face it, Coco eye boogers, because she does. She gets eye boogers. It's disgusting, but it happens. Luckily, she doesn't slobber like our other bulldog did, but alright, let's get into it. You know what, guys? I think we need to do an at-home road trip very soon one day. You see these pillows I have? I've had them for about 2 years. I bought them at, I think, Home Goods or TJ Maxx. And as much as I love them, I have to pick the little quills out of them. So since we've had them for 2 years, they're probably about half the size as when I originally bought them. And I was just going to replace the covers just for, decor, so I can change up the decor a little bit. But I think I might just need to replace the whole pillow, since the pillows probably are half the size as when I bought them 2 years ago. So let me know what you guys think, and if the selection at home is as good as I think it's going to be, What I've seen is they have tons of pillows, so I'm hoping I can find something because I have been checking out Target and Walmart, not really finding something that strikes me yet, so maybe the at-home store would be the best place to go. So let me know what you guys think below. You know, I get it now why people have multiple vacuums. I typically use my Shark stick vacuum for getting under, especially under the chairs and stuff, because it's a low profile and I'm able to do that. But my aunt gave me this Dyson vacuum. She just said it was too heavy for her. And I get it now because this, I will say, picks up so much of the dog hair and especially the dog crumbs. For some reason, I give her biscuit when she comes in through the back door, but she runs straight into the front room and has to eat her biscuit on the carpet. I don't get it. Maybe she just wants a soft place to eat, but there are so many little crumbs that get in this carpet because it's a little bit of a thicker pile carpet, and I have to go over it multiple times to get all of the crumbs and the dog hair, which usually the stick vac works really well for it. But when I bust out this Dyson, I'm knowing that everything is coming out of the carpet. So I do finally get why people have multiple vacuums. So I'm gotta say I'm liking it. Did you guys see my little baseboard sheet? I will get down and do baseboards probably every 6 months and like scrub them good and make sure there's nothing on them. But when I'm not doing the big scrub of the baseboards, I kind of cheat a little bit with my mop and I'll go through with the mop tilted up on the baseboard just so I can get any kind of dust or anything off of there. Because I will say, the one thing, you can give me toilets all day to clean, I won't care, but for some reason, baseboards, I just can't stand doing baseboards. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are with me on that one. Guys, I'd have to say, I was really surprised this wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I really only found one sock and a Rubik's Cube. I can honestly say I don't know how long the Rubik's Cube was under there, but I was surprised at one sock. Typically, if I have a pile of socks laying on top of the dryer that I can't find the matches for, they're usually under the sofa. I do a lot of my folding at the sofa, and I'll put the socks up that on the top, on the back of the sofa, I put everybody's piles, and then I'll put a pile of socks that I can't find because, let's face it, we can never find the matches for all of the socks. And I'm really surprised in a load of laundry when I do. But this wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought there would be like 6 pairs of socks back here, but they're not. So that makes me wonder where all my socks are then, because I've got a pile and I can't find the matches. Well, there you have it, guys. That's my deep cleaning, some furniture moving, cleaning underneath, getting all the dust, the dog hair. Hope it motivated you guys to get up and do the same. And thanks for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Has to be the bathroom. Stand on the hardwood floor. Did you do this for?
Yeah, just about, especially in South Jersey, getting hammered right now. The flood risk continues through tomorrow morning. Severe risk for the next.
Oh, but I got my thing in.
Go right to the warnings, and you can see they do pretty much take over almost all of South Jersey, with the exception of the shore from Brigantine, Atlantic City, down to South Millville within this. But if you have not seen the storm yet, or you see the dark clouds in the distance to the west, if you're in Burlington County, parts of Atlantic County, southern Camden or Gloucester County, you are under a warning till 6:30. Winds have proven to be between 70 and 80 miles an hour.
Yeah, or like 3.5.
5-3. On Storm Tracker 6 Live, we can look at the rainfall mode.
Did you include my bump?
No. This is the
This bump.
Basically,
Yeah, your head, yeah.
how strong the wind
No, you know how I have that little bump that goes across my head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mount Laurel, 73, 80 miles an hour, 72 near Mount Holly, as all these winds rush with the storm. And again, Wilmington did report a wind gust of 70.
So I only have an inch and a half on you?
To the South Glassboro,
Yeah, you're not on the shoulder.
72 miles an hour.
Okay, so that's why at 5.5 feet I'm like this.
As the 70 mile an hour possible wind
With 2 beers out of my hands.
Continue towards the Expressway, Hamilton, Berlin, again, as I mentioned, just watch these storms.
You and I have the same kind of personality. That's something I do.
Picture in from Disney.
You should have seen it. It was
This is in Saucon, New Jersey, on Haddonfield Road. You can see the telephone poles have been pushed over by strong wind, and lines you see right here dipping down to the street.
It was like, I'm done.
Destructive storms.
Right, Coco?
Safe in a safe spot once the